Julio Mensa, Design Manager, Strategic Response Team.
En aan tafel hier, Quality Engineer voor Kids.
Mara Kleine, Senior MacArt Worker.
Gulsen Erko, MacArt Worker, Professional Sports.
One of the most important things that we found in the briefing from the UNHCR was that for especially those women, it is very important that they're included, not excluded. And that is also making a difference from a normal design process because you want to be about exclusivity.
We wanted to give them a few examples of other female sports women doing sports on a really high level and still sort of adapting themselves in the way that they dress and the way that they actually wear their sports outfits to the Muslim requirements. This woman is actually Somalian, and I think this is even a better example, even though she's not from Somalia. This woman is from Bahrain. She also competed in the Olympics last year, but she even has won a gold medal in the Arab Games while wearing a hijab and also like sort of long trousers and fully covered. And then, this is where we came out to. Normal outfit.
Normal outfit.
The less strict people can actually choose just a few layers, and then the more strict ones can actually add up to actually completely cover in the way they're supposed to. And the good thing about this is that, like you see it here, there's a draw cord in the bottom, so you can actually put it up and adjust the length of it. It sort of really makes sense because you can adjust it to different heights of girls. But at the same time, I mean, if they want to walk around when they're not doing the sports, then just put it down so to be covered properly. But when they're doing the sports, they can just put it up that way and then have the leg movement that they want to have. Yeah. And that's
a very basic one, which is very easy to make, and you would wear this simple top underneath it.
But the most important thing is that they will like it. Now that is what counts in the end. Not if we like it, but if they feel comfortable enough to say like, yes, we want to play volleyball in this. And it's better than what we have.